A huge thank you to the 5,000 of you who clicked that button. May you be blessed.
I know. I have a real problem. Is there a Chick-fil-A hotline for addiction? I was sitting at home and I thought, I need some beach time. So jumped in the truck and I started driving, and I'm heading towards the shores of Lake Erie. Probably have another maybe 45 minutes of driving, and this is basically the beginning of the 4th of July weekend. There's probably zero chance of me getting into any sort of campground. I'm not sure where I'm gonna stay. Kind of adds to the fun of it, so we'll just figure it out. Might be a Walmart, who knows? We'll see. Made it to the beach. Sorry if it's noisy, I have to have the fan on though. There's these little no-see-ums up here. Woo! They were brutal, eating me alive. Almost worse than those mosquitoes. But anyhow, I just came into the truck here to prep some of the food. We're gonna do a seafood boil. Yeah, I figured it was fitting for the view that we have. I picked up some shrimp, some clams, and potatoes, smoked sausage, shallot, and an ear of corn. I bought this guy. Thought I would try it out instead of the one that I have been using, since that one takes up quite a bit of room and it's much smaller. Tiny little guy. So let's get to it.
So I got the potatoes and the shallot and the corn boiling right now. Probably in about 5 more minutes, I'll throw in the clams. And since the shrimp and the smoked sausage is already fully cooked, I'll wait till it's almost done cooking before I add them to the boil. So far, it's looking pretty yummy. I'm getting hungry, and I think the seagulls are as well. All right, I just added the clams, and we're gonna let those cook for about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna add the shrimp and the sausage in just for a few more minutes to heat them up, and then it'll be go time. I added the shrimp and I added the smoked sausage. It's done and I'm ready to eat. And it looks delicious. Good stuff.
It's amazing what a little beach day will do for your mental health. It's like therapy, and it's free.
Well, maybe not with those gas prices. Now I need to find a place to stay. Not sure where that's going to be yet. Hopefully not a Walmart, but it might be. Well, it's home sweet home for the night. Well, it's about 10:30 at night and I just got back into the Tramper. Before I left the beach, I hooked up my shower head in the parking lot and sprayed off all the sand that was on my legs because I was pretty filthy. And I'm probably just gonna get washed up a bit here and hit the hay because I am tired. See you in the morning.
Ah, what do you have good to eat?
Oatmeal, banana, pecans.
Okay, bye.
Wasn't good,
We
huh?
won't stay and mooch off you.
Have a good day. Why do I love truck camping so much? Maybe it's the constant change of scenery. Maybe it's the people I meet along the journey. Maybe it's the feeling of freedom I get knowing I can call just about anywhere home for the night. Maybe it's the quiet times that I can sit and look inward and reflect on my life. Maybe it's the closeness I feel with God when I'm overwhelmed by a beautiful sunset. Maybe it's the sounds of the birds, or the waves, or the breeze. Maybe it's all of these. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Until we meet again, Godspeed.